So first of all, when it comes to Wi-Fi 6E, what are you most excited about? And what new features or capabilities are enterprise businesses going to benefit the most from?
Yeah, very, very interesting and very relevant question. The reason I say that is, everybody knows Wi-Fi, but not a lot of people know what are all those numbers that come after Wi-Fi. So I don't want to get into a lot of technical details, but I want to give an overview of what it means. So Wi-Fi has been around for almost 22, 23 years now, believe it or not. And it has come through different generations. So the current generation, every generation of Wi-Fi has been called Wi-Fi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the first time, instead of going from 6 to 7, we have a 6E. So that's quite a bit interesting because a lot of people ask, okay, I've always heard 4 and 5. What is this 6E? So what has happened is, as you know, and as everybody knows, Wi-Fi, from being a replacement of an Ethernet cable to your laptop, now it has become ubiquitous. Wi-Fi has almost become like a utility in everybody's homes and lives, especially more so with the pandemic. Now, people used to take Wi-Fi for granted before, but now with pandemic and everybody using at home, families and kids and everybody using Wi-Fi at home, now suddenly everybody realized that, okay, there is this Wi-Fi that is providing all these awesome benefits that I'm able to do by not going to office or by my kids not going to school, and all of this connectivity, these applications that we are using, be it smartphones, be it laptops or TVs or whatnot, it's on Wi-Fi. So as this was happening, Qualcomm, along with the industry, what we have been trying to do is, as this Wi-Fi has been exploding in usage, we saw that, okay, now there is a spectrum, which is a radio frequency available for Wi-Fi, was earlier only in 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz range.
Right.
And our needs, when this spectrum was allocated a long time ago, 20 years ago, 2.4 was the called ISM band, which is used by Bluetooth and a lot of microwave ovens and cordless phones, etc. And same as 5 gigahertz spectrum. So now there has been, with the increased usage of Wi-Fi, Qualcomm and several other companies, we have been working with FCC to open up new spectrum so that the ever increasing needs of Wi-Fi bandwidth, can be addressed in a much better manner. So FCC and FCC in North America and a lot of the regulatory agencies in around the world, they had radio frequency available in 6 gigahertz that was prior used for other applications like satellite and other applications. So they said, okay, we have a very wideband spectrum that is available here, and it is much better to deploy Wi-Fi in this band. So coming back to your question, what is it about Wi-Fi 6E that is so interesting is, so Wi-Fi 6E is taking a Wi-Fi 6 technology, which is available in 2.4 and 5, and E as in extending it into a new frequency band, which is 6 gigahertz, which is kind of a greenfield operation. So all the benefits of Wi-Fi that you get, now you are going to get this in a 6 gigahertz band with a much, much wider bandwidth. When we say wider bandwidth, you have multiple channels available. To give you an analogy, it is almost like going from like a 2-lane way highway with lots of other people sharing the road to suddenly now going onto like a 6-lane super highway where everybody is going as fast as they can. So you can just imagine, you're in Orange County, LA area, so you can imagine how helpful
How much
it is.
benefit it is. Yes, exactly.
So that's so much exciting. Now it is happening. It is so happened that the demands of Wi-Fi and the spectrum availability has come together at a point that by using this technology, now as silicon providers, we can provide all these features that can drive user experience, that can provide a much better user experience, be it using your Wi-Fi on phone, or a video conference calls, or a streaming video, bidirectional, audio video conference, using your VR, AR headsets and whatnot. So this is most exciting. It is open. It is pushing the envelope of Wi-Fi and opening up a lot of avenues for a lot of other applications.